different types of jobs in Gulf and the salaries of each job. Okay. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Fresha and welcome to the Dream Team family. Hello, if it is your first time to be here, please consider subscribing down below. Also turn on the notification bell that you never miss out any upload that we upload weekly. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers who are here to show me love, always supporting me, always encouraging me. I really appreciate from the deepest part of my heart. I appreciate so much. So we're back with another video, and as you can read from the title, I know that is why you're here. You're probably here because you read the type of jobs that and the salaries that you'll get. So yeah, this video will be about different types of jobs in Gulf and the salaries of each job. Okay, and in this case, I mean in Gulf countries like Qatar, Dubai, and all that. So also, I would want to mention before we continue, the salaries, the amount of money that I'll be saying right now, it will be in Qatar Riyals, number one, and also it will not be an exact. It is just an estimate which can be adjusted according to the company. It is just what you expect from this range to that range. So yeah, I hope we understand each other. Also, for you who don't know how to convert the money, it will be in Qatar Riyals, and for you to convert it into Kenya, in this case, it is 1 Qatar Riyal is equal to 29 Kenya shillings. Okay, so if I mention a certain amount of money, just do the maths, or also you can Google the conversion according to your country. Just go Google how much is Qatar Riyals to this country, and then you will see how much is it and convert according to the amount that I'll give here. So I will be talking about the major jobs that are mainly and easily found, like security, house girls, cleaners, drivers, and customer service. So these are the 5 types of jobs that I'll be quoting their salaries. And I repeat again, it is not exact salary. It is just an estimate of what you should expect, because some of y'all have very high expectations. Maybe you get an agency or you get a job and then you think maybe they're not doing you justice, but it is what it is. So these are just estimates, and it will depend also with the company. Also, I must mention that the amount that I'll be mentioning, it is only basic salary. This is only basic salary, because in some companies there are allowances like accommodation allowance, food allowance, transport allowance, but this one depends on the company. If the company is giving you accommodation, it is giving you food, it is giving you transport, you will only receive basic salary in this case. But if it is not giving you all those accommodation, food, and transport, they will give you a basic salary and then top up with the allowances, food allowance separate, transport allowance separate, and accommodation allowance separate. So we cannot tell about the allowances because different companies with different rules, but the basic salaries, it is just generalized. It is just a generalized estimate. So yeah, let's head to the video. So I'll start by house managers. House managers are house girls. The estimated salary is from 1,000 as per now, is from 1,000, and yeah, as I said, this is 1,000 Qatar Riyals, so you can convert it to your own to your own country's currency. So in this case, you'll find that they get this, but you'll find also some get more, some get it will depend. So the average, the estimated beginning salary is 1,000 for house managers. And then we move to cleaners. Cleaners, the estimated salaries, the salary will be 1,100, 1,000, like that. Also from 1,000, 1,100, and it keeps changing, because it will depend with the company, and it will depend with if you're getting allowances and all that. So that is a cleaner's job. And number 3, it will be security jobs. So security jobs starts from 1,200 and up, depending with the company, depending with what you're doing, depending with the type, the amount, depending with the work you're doing and how many hours you're working. And so yeah, it starts from 1,200. And number 4, it is driver's jobs. Driver's jobs get a little bit higher, so it will start from 1,800, 2,000, 2,500, depending also with the company. Maybe you are working as a family driver. It will depend with very many things. Number 5 and not least is the customer service jobs. Customer service jobs is like working in stores, working in supermarkets, working in those shops. That one starts from 1,700, 2,000 and up, depending on the company also. So I hope this information will help you choose the type of job you want. Also, I know I have not mentioned very many jobs because I did not research on many jobs because there are many jobs, but I only researched on the common jobs that you can get first. So yeah, I hope it helped you. I hope you got the answer you wanted, and if not, and you have a question, just ask me on the comment section and I will definitely answer you if I know it, or I'll definitely guide you to where you can get the information from. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and please share to the people who might need this information, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to this far, and I would really appreciate that. So until the next video, bye bye, peace.